welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Mel, and I want to say welcome to the new subbies. How y'all doing? And welcome back to my oldies but goodie. How you doing? Today's video, I wanted to share with you guys some of my Halloween Rae Dunn finds. It's not a huge haul, but I wanted to share with you guys what I found before I start decorating. Like, there's probably going to be like 2 more or possibly 3 more videos before I start decorating. So if you guys want to see those videos, also don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell button. Alright, let's get into the video. Alright guys, it's been a while since I did a sit down video, much less a haul video. So I'm gonna start off with my very first item that I found at HomeGoods. It is a 3-piece set, and originally I was looking for this. Actually, I was eyeing this on Mercari. The older version to this, I was eyeing it, and I think it was around $100 and something the seller was selling it for. But when I went into HomeGoods, I was lucky enough to find this set. Even though the bowls, the mixing bowls have gone up in price. Since last year it was $30, now it's $40. I was on the fence if I wanted to pay $40 for this bowl. I went ahead and bought a bullet and just got it anyway. So here is the mixing bowl. It is the 3-piece set, and we have the trick or treat on here, and then the smaller bowl has the boo on it as well. The original set had I think this one said treat, and the medium size said trick. For the old, I'm gonna put it here so you guys could see what the older version looked like. But I went ahead and got rid of that older bowl off of Mercari, and instead I'm going to stick with this 3-piece set that they released this year. And let me share with you guys. I want to see the price. This is the price for it. So it's $40 this year. It's pretty heavy. I love these mixing bowls. I have for every season. Yeah, for every season except for 4th of July. For one, I don't even know what I'm gonna do with this bowl. I just know I wanted it. I wanted the original version, but I will settle for this version. But I'm not too sure what I'm going to be doing with this. So this was my first find and first bought for this 2022 Halloween season. Alright y'all, so my second find for this Halloween season was on Mercari. I already have the larger bowl. It's a mixing bowl. It's a ceramic mixing bowl, and I already have the larger version that came with this set. So I wanted to complete the set for this one, and here it is, the mini Hocus Pocus mixing bowl. It has the orange inside. It has a lot of dimples. I don't know if you guys could see the dimples, but it has a lot of dimples. So this is more likely the orange one, not orange. This is most likely the older version, because as you know, the newer versions always have the numbers on the bottom. So this one does not. So it is the older version. I'm glad I got it. I know where I'm gonna put this. It's gonna be in the kitchen, and it's going to complete the look that I had last year on my coffee bar, and I'm excited. I can't wait to get to decorating. Alright guys, so the next piece I'm going to share with you guys is this. It's not the original version because they re-released it this year, but this was a hot item years ago. Very hard to find. Now they re-released it this year, and I was lucky enough to get my hands on one of them. And these been sitting down collecting dust, so if you see dust on them, just know that I just have them sitting down waiting for me to do a haul. And this is the Baby Boo canister, all black with the white writing, and this was from Marshall's and it was $12.99. I'm super excited to get this because I have the skinny tall trick-or-treat canister that was re-released last year, so I'm happy to have gotten it. And this is out in stores by a lot. I go to Marshall's, TJ Maxx, Home Goods, and it is all over the place. I think they did a mass production of a lot of these items, or people, us Dunners, are not really hunting or buying Dunn anymore. So y'all let me know in the comment section, are y'all still hunting for Dunn, or y'all getting rid of stuff, or y'all already have certain things already, so y'all say nah, not this year. Alright, so let me know in the comment section below if you guys are over Dunn or still in love with Dunn or semi in love with Dunn. Alright y'all, so the next piece that I'm going to share with you guys is this baby canister, the Wicked Witch with the hat. Last year they came out with the black one with the purple, what is it, ribbon, I guess, and the white lettering. That's the one I originally wanted, but when I saw this one in the store, I was like, hey, I haven't seen the one with the white lettering, and I'm just gonna pick it up. I think the other one says Witch Please. I think that's what it says, but this says Wicked Witch, and I got this at Home Goods for $19.99. I think this was like either $14.99 the year before or $16.99 the year before. I don't know what was the price last year, but I know it had went up in price. So this is the price. I've been wanting this, the white one, the black one with the white lettering, since last year, but I haven't found it, and I don't want to buy it off Mercari. I think it's online either at TJ Maxx or Marshall's. I'm going to check again, and if they do have it, I'm just going to snag it off of there and then use this somewhere else and use that one where I intended to do last year. So this is the Wicked Witch canister, and it was $19.99 at Home. They are releasing too many canisters with too many toppers, but when I saw this little baby, I had to get it. It is a little Happy Halloween baby canister with the topper. I'm not too much a fond of the topper, but a lot of people are switching out the toppers. I've tried to switch out the topper. I have the black baby keep and sugar canister, so I know one of those lids fit with this, so I will try it and put it on, but I can't stand, because I already have a canister that says trick or treat with this topper from last year, so I really don't want a second one. So this topper can be used as some kind of tier tray piece or something. And this was from Marshall's, and it was $19.99. Like, seriously, everything is going up, but hey, we love it and we still buy it. Right. So the next canister that I want to share with you guys is something that everybody has been hunting for, has been wanting. This canister is an oldie but goodie, but in a different color lettering, and I already have the black and white, the all orange, and I had to get this trick or treat canister with the orange lettering. It was from Marshall's, $16.99. There's not much of a story. There are plenty of these going around here in my state. I don't know about everybody else's state, but they are sitting on the shelves, and I'm just happy that I've got one. And I'm waiting for something to go with this to come in the mail so I could make it a trio set, just like the white one. So this is the trick or treat canister. Everybody was crazy for the black one with the white lettering last year, so here is the orange lettering and black skinny canister. This is crazy. Some of the canisters that Rae Dunn and Magenta are bringing back out, they're just changing the colors of the letters, and it's crazy. I've always wanted this canister for how long, but when you go on Micheal to see how much people are selling it for, it's like $300 and $400. So I'm glad that this came out this year again, and this was the haunted canister, right? And this was from TJ Maxx for $14.99. and what I have 2 of these, and what I'm going to do is DIY the letters and turn it into white, and I will have the original. I refuse to pay that much, and why not just do a DIY, change the lettering colors, and you'll have the original one and you'll have the new one, right? That makes sense. So I'm super happy I was able to find it. I'm happy, and this is my haunted canister, and it was $14.99 TJ. All right, y'all, so here is another baby canister that I have. It is the baby spooky canister with the topper, and listen, I want the black version of this spooky canister. Once again, it's an OG, and on Micheal people have it for $400 and $500. I can DIY this if I choose, get another version, well, get another one of this and DIY it, and change the letter into white and just get a flat lid. Most likely that's what I'm going to do, and just call it a day. I am not spending that much money. Kudos to anybody that wants to, but I would like the black version to this. Can't get it, I'm not going to spend that money. But another topper, which is a cute topper, but it's not necessary for this. Once again, change the lid. I have many babies of this size, so if I want to, I just change the lid for this and then call it a day. Now, so here's the next canister. So this one is from Home Goods. Well, I guess this came in a set of 2. I found the baby size, but when I found it, it didn't have the lid, so I only was able to pick up this canister, and it is the Witch's Brew with this cauldron on the front of it and the green handle. And like I said, it was from Home Goods. It is $16.99. All right, guys, so this is a canister that I've been wanting for some time. This canister was released in 2020, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong, y'all will see. I think this canister was released in 2020 and I missed it then. Then it was released back in 2021, and then I still missed it then. And it so happened this year it was released again. Also, it was released online as well, but it had a white handle on the lid, and this is the Skull and Bones canister. Y'all, this canister is a must, and I'm gonna tell y'all something. This canister have gone up in price. It has. This canister is from Marshall's, and it is $24.99. All right, y'all, so this is the last canister for this haul. This canister, I had an idea in mind. I wanted to take off the luster off of it to see how it is. I haven't done it yet. I don't know if I'm going to do it yet. This is the Green Magic canister. You guys see? I don't know. It is $16.99, and it was from TJ Maxx. You guys saw me found this in my Shop With Me video. If you haven't seen that video, pause this, go back and watch this, or finish watching this and go watch that video, and y'all let me know what y'all think. That was my second Shop With Me, and y'all let me know how I did in that video. So this was $16.99 from TJ Maxx, and I really want to take the luster off, but I don't know yet. So I'm liking the luster, I'm liking the iridescent, I'm just liking it, but I wish the lettering was more black. I think I could DIY, but I just don't want to mess it up. But I already have the small cauldron that says potion, and I wanted the orange one that says boo, and it was from TJ Maxx, and it is $12.99. I just wanted it to go with my colorful theme touch. So it's nothing spectacular, but it's just pretty orange, and it's small and it's cute, and it reminds me of my little potion cauldron as well. So I have that one in black with white lettering, and this one is orange with black lettering. So basically I only have 4 mugs. I'm just going to share with you guys these 4 mugs, and you guys let me know if you guys have them or you guys looking for them. So these are the 4 mugs that I found so far that I want this year. Guys, that is a wrap. Thank you for tuning in and watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this Happy Halloween Rae Dunn Haul video. These are the items that I have so far. There is more that I'm going to share with you guys, but I didn't want to stuff everything in this video. So if you like what I've shared with you guys, let me know in the comment section below, and let me know if any of these items that I have found are your ISOs, or what are you guys hunting for. And also, do you think that Dunn season is coming to an end because of the mass production of Rae Dunn Halloween that is on the shelf still sitting? Let me know what are your thoughts on that. Until next time, I'll see you then. Peace, be safe, wear your mask. Bye y'all.